children, myself Anil sir, and we are here at the learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhauni Betia. So this is class 7th English literature. This is my second video over lesson 2. The name of the lesson is The Master Artist, written by Carol Moore. So in this lesson we have seen how a contact is made between Mr. Abbe and Mr. Bartoli regarding the making of portrayal. So we start further. So we start with paragraph 4. Now a glint came to Mr. Abbe's eyes as he gazed upon that 20-foot all wall and thought of all that space. Such a wonderful space to give his imagination wings, because unknown to Mr. Bartoli or indeed anyone else, for all of his career of 45 years, Mr. Abbe had longed to paint in his own way. And what way was that? Certainly not that popular style of his time. No, Mr. Sidney Abbe had hungered to break free of restraints, but the guild, his craft and livelihood would never have allowed it. So he followed their rules and he was never proud of it. Of course, he did not reveal this to Mr. Bartoli. So we see that there is a discussion between Mr. Abbe and Mr. Bartoli. Mr. Abbe is the artist who is all set to retire, and Mr. Bartoli is a rich person who wants his portrayal to be made. And in this regard, they are having some discussion. So Mr. Abbe says that I cannot make your portrait only just on the basis of money. So money is not the matter because I am going to retire. So under the impulse of money, I cannot work. I need something more. So he puts some conditions in this regard. And we have seen what are his conditions. His first condition is that he should be given a free hand. First one. Second, he should be given proper food and bed as such. And third one is that so long as the portrayal is not finally prepared, Mr. Bartoli will not come and see it, or he will not inquire about it as such. So another condition is that Mr. Bartoli will not pose himself at the time of portrayal, because the artist says that he has captured his image. There is no need for Mr. Bartoli to stand nearby during the course of making of his portrayal. So all these things are explained. On his part, Mr. Bartoli says that okay, I agree to all your points, but my one request is that I must give you money to you for your work. And in this way, in this regard, a contract should be signed. So after that, we see that the painter, who is Mr. Abbe, he is happy to see a large canvas before him, that is 20-foot tall wall. He is happy in the sense that now he can draw the figure of Mr. Bartoli in his own way. No doubt he was the top artist of his day, but he was bound by certain restrictions of the guild. Guild means a trade association under which passes some rules and regulations, and under which a craftsman or a person has to work. So under that rules and regulations of the guild, the artist was not having free hand, and during the 45 years of his career as a painter, though he gained popularity, though he became the top painter, but he did not have that freedom of making painting in his own manner and style. So now he is happy that now he can make the painting in his own way without any interference, without any rules and regulations of the guild. But he did not disclose this happiness to Mr. Bartoli. And then the contract was signed. So signing the contract, they sealed the agreement. So an agreement was signed in this regard, and the agreement was sealed upon. Next paragraph. Immediately the master artist threw a high curtain in front of the wall, a curtain through which Signor Bartoli or Mr. Bartoli could not see at all. He tried to peek, but Mr. Abbe insisted on total privacy for his artistic technique. So it was a condition that so long as the portrait is not made, Mr. Bartoli will not peek into that, will not see it. So what happens just after that, just the contract is signed, then the artist puts a high curtain or a big curtain so that the place is covered, and so that he can do his painting in his own style. And when Mr. Bartoli tries to see something, then the painter insists that no, this is not the way, we have already discussed that you should not come and peep into that, so let me do my work until and unless it is finished. So he does so, he talks like that. He insists on his privacy. So a week passed. How it is coming along? Asked the hopeful Mr. Bartoli. So after 1 week, Mr. Bartoli comes and simply inquires what is the progress, how is the work going on. Okay, so in next video we will see what reply the painter gives to him. Till then, thank you.